study, Enhancing Cash Flow Management with SAP FI. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore a compelling case study on how SAP FI has significantly enhanced cash flow management for a leading organization. We'll discuss the challenges faced, the solutions implemented, and the impressive results achieved. Let's get started. Section 1. Introduction to Cash Flow Management. Cash flow management is crucial for any business as it ensures that an organization has enough liquidity to meet its obligations. Effective cash flow management allows companies to invest in growth opportunities, manage expenses, and maintain financial stability. Section 2. The Company Overview. Our case study focuses on a mid-sized retail company that operates in a highly competitive market. With rapid growth and expansion, the company faced challenges in managing its cash flow effectively. Section 3. Challenges before SAP FI implementation. Before implementing SAP FI, the company encountered several key challenges. Inaccurate cash flow forecasting, manual processes led to unreliable cash flow projections, making it difficult to plan for future expenses. Delayed payments, inefficient accounts receivable processes resulted in delayed customer payments, impacting cash availability. Lack of real-time insights. The finance team struggled to access real-time data, hindering timely decision-making. Section 4. Decision to implement SAP FI. To address these challenges, the company decided to implement SAP FI. The primary objective was to enhance cash flow management by automating processes and providing real-time visibility into financial data. Section 5. Implementation process. The implementation of SAP FI involved several critical steps. Needs assessment. The finance team identified specific pain points in cash flow management that needed addressing. System configuration. SAP FI was configured to align with the company's operational requirements and cash management goals. Data migration. Historical financial data was migrated into the new system to ensure continuity and accuracy. Training and support. Staff received extensive training on using SAP FI effectively for cash flow management. Section 6. Key features of SAP FI utilized. The company utilized several key features of SAP FI that significantly improved cash flow management. Automated accounts receivable processes. Automation reduced the time taken to process invoices and follow up on payments. Real-time cash flow monitoring. The finance team gained access to real-time dashboards displaying current cash positions and forecasts. Integrated reporting tools. Comprehensive reporting capabilities allowed for better analysis of cash flow trends and patterns. Section 7. Results achieved post-implementation. After implementing SAP FI, the company experienced remarkable improvements. Improved cash flow forecasting. Cash flow forecasts became more accurate, enabling better financial planning. Faster collections. The time taken to collect payments from customers decreased by 30%, enhancing liquidity. Enhanced decision-making. With real-time insights into cash positions, management could make informed decisions quickly. Increased financial stability. Overall cash flow improved significantly, allowing for strategic investments in growth opportunities. Section 8. Conclusion and Future Outlook. In conclusion, SAP FI has transformed cash flow management for this retail company. By automating processes and providing real-time insights, the organization is now better equipped to navigate financial challenges and seize growth opportunities. As businesses continue to evolve, effective cash flow management solutions like SAP FI will be essential for success. Thank you for watching. If you found this case study insightful, please like this video and subscribe for more content on financial transformation. Share your experiences in the comments. How has your organization approached cash flow management? Until next time.